Welcome student in my maths step by step class. In today's class we will do exponent part 8, and in this part we will do one question. And see, yesterday we have done question like this. Today also I have taken another question. So see, this is the part of yesterday's that question. So today second question is, if a raised to power n into 3 raised to power 5 into 27 raised to power 3 upon 3 into 81 raised to power 4 is equal to 27, find n. So here we will write, we have to find the value of n. So first we will copy the question properly, attentively, and while copying the question we will think in your mind that what type of question is this, how we can change, how can we use the laws of exponent in such types of question. So see, first this is the smallest base we have, so that should be click in our mind that we have to just make these base also 3, right? So here we know that 9 is this one, 9 3 square and whole power n, then into 3 raised to power 5. 27 can be written as 3 raised to power 3 whole power 3 upon 3 into 3 raised to power 4 whole power 4. 81 can be written as prime factorization we have done earlier. So if you don't know, you can go through those videos also. Equal to, again 27 can be written as 3 raised to power 3. Then if base are same, we will use exponent laws. 2 raised to power m into n can be written as 2 raised to x raised to power 2n, matlab mn. So here 3 square 3 to n is written, and into 3 raised to power 5 into 3 3 is 9, 3 raised to power 9 upon 3 into 3 raised to power 4 4 is 16 and equal to 3 raised to power 3, right? After this, base are same, so we add these powers. So 3 raised to power 2n plus 5 plus 9 upon 3 raised to power 1 plus 16. See, keep that in mind. This is 1. You will count it 1. Okay, don't be confused. Equal to 3 raised to power 3. Then after this, adding these powers, 3 raised to power 2n plus 5 plus 9 14 upon 3 raised to power 16 plus 1 17 equal to 3 raised to power 3. So see, this is very easy question, but if you have not done one time, so you cannot attempt perfectly or correctly in your exams. So practice is very important. So after this, 3 raised to power 2n plus 14, and it will go up minus 17 because x raised to power m upon x raised to power n equal to x raised to power m minus n. That law we are using, division rule, division law that we call, equal to 3 raised to power 3. So here 3 raised to power 2n minus 3, 17 minus 14, 3, and minus sign is there. This is important. See, you have to keep all the rules of mathematics. So here 17 is greater, so we will put sign of minus 3, right? Plus minus minus, sign of greater number will come. So here 3 raised to power 2n minus 3 equal to 3 raised to power 3, right? Then on comparing power, see, both base are same. This is also law. If 2 raised to power x and 2 raised to power y, that means x equal to y. We have done it earlier also in laws of exponent. So on comparing powers, we will do 2n minus 3 equal to 3. So 2n equal to 3 plus 3. Then 2n equal to 6 and n equal to 6 upon 2. 2 3 is 6. So value of n is 3. So value of n is 3. So this is very interesting question. When you do these such types of question yourself, when you just look at your question, look at your solution, just you will feel very very happy. And please, writing should be very good and you should do neat work. Okay, so question should look very beautiful, neat and correct. So share this video to many of your friends and have a very good day and keep learning, keep growing, and good luck for your coming exams.